What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Today we're not going to work on the M5, we're going to be working on the Can-Am. So I know you guys want more M5 videos, we will have more M5 videos, you know. I'm trying to keep it going, I'm trying to stay a little bit more consistent. I just wanted to mention I'm going to start trying to post at least once a week and then work from there. Anyways, today's video guys, I wasn't even going to make a video about this, but I was like, might as well, because I'm kind of struggling to find everything I need. So I was like, you might as well make a video about it. I'm gonna put a windshield on my Can-Am. So as you guys can see, if you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys have seen the Can-Am already in its new form. I'm not gonna talk too much about this just because of the whole insurance purposes and all that. But in the beginning of the year, I did get in a little accident, big accident. Took it to a shop, did an insurance claim, and I was able to get some aftermarket parts. So that's what you guys see right here. I was supposed to pick up the car with the windshield on already, but it was taking a little while. I was getting a little anxious. I picked it up and I told him to just let me know when the windshield was ready, because it wasn't ready yet. So yeah, I picked up the car. I've had it for like the past week and a half, maybe just week and a half, and I finally got the windshield. So I need to figure out how to put it on. As you guys can see, the roof is held on with these little quick release fasteners. It's pretty much the same thing that they use to hold on the stock roof on these cars, except this one doesn't have the little like handle to turn it. It's a little bit more clean, a little bit more simple. The windshield gets held on the same way. The only problem is that they didn't give me any of these bolts fasteners when I picked up the windshield. I guess they didn't have any with them. So yesterday I was running around trying to find them everywhere. I went to AutoZone, I called a few places, I couldn't find them anywhere. I was trying to pick them up locally, that way I can install it already. So I ended up picking some up on Amazon. I'll go ahead and leave a link in the description. It is affiliate, so if you guys want to help out, I'll go ahead and leave a link in the description. I couldn't find these anywhere where I can pick them up locally. I'm still waiting for them to come in. They're supposed to come in the next like 2 hours. So meanwhile, to hold it on while I get the whole seal on and everything, I'm gonna take like 2 or 3 off the roof just to hold it in place, and then when they come in, I'll go ahead and replace them again. Yeah, so that's the plan guys. This is the windshield. You guys can see I did a gloss black to match the cage, and then obviously this one is glass. You guys can hear that, but yeah, I'm excited to put this on already and see how it looks, and I think it's gonna help when we're out there riding with all the dust and stuff. The only thing I'm worried about is the windshield getting full of dust and not being able to see out of the windshield clearly, but I think that's something that we're just gonna have to get used to. And then later on, I do want to put on a wiper with like the whole fluid and everything, so we can clean the windshield when we're out there riding and we don't have to stop to wipe it down or clean it. So yeah, enough talking guys. I'm gonna go ahead and try to slap the windshield on here real quick and then hold it in place with these, and wish me luck. All right guys, so my package came in. So this one comes with the fasteners and the mount for the fasteners to hold the stuff in place. So I didn't need all that, I just needed the fasteners, but these were the fastest ones that would come in, which is the reason that I ordered them. These are also a hex. I don't know if you guys can see compared to the top ones, which is like a flathead. But I thought these would be fine for the windshield. It kind of makes it a little bit harder for them to take it off, I guess, too. I'm just running into some issues right now. First issue is that the actual mount for this bottom middle one, it's not working out. It doesn't reach. The mount itself is too far away, so it doesn't, the fastener is not long enough to grab on, which I'm pretty sure all the fasteners are the same size, so I don't think there would be longer or shorter ones of these, I believe. So I don't know what I'm gonna do about that. And the second one is that the top ones, the light bar's in the way, so I can't even put them on. So I need to figure out what to do with that. But meanwhile, what I'm gonna go ahead and do, I'm gonna go ahead and put some tape and put it down around the windshield, around the cage, to see exactly where I need to put the seal on the windshield. That way it doesn't rattle and there's not a like metal to metal contact between the windshield and the cage. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do that before I actually go ahead and completely mount the windshield. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and figure out what to do with these, because I was just gonna put like a plug, that way you can't see the hole, but I feel like this might rattle. So I'm gonna have to figure that out right now, but yeah, I'll keep you guys updated. All right, so right now I just put on the new fasteners. As of right now, it's just those two. I'm gonna try to put this one on, but I don't want to do that until after I have the whole seal on. That way I don't take it off anymore. But yeah, I didn't have any tape, so I put these little double-sided sticky tapes. They're not that strong, so I'll be able to take it off after. But I put those on that way when I take off the windshield, I see exactly where I need to put the seal. That way it fits flush with the actual bars of the cage. So right now, I'm gonna go get some seal because I don't have any. And then I'll go ahead and take it off, put the seal on, and then put everything back on. I also loosened the light bar a little bit so I can turn it. That should give me enough space to be able to bolt it on. If not, I'll turn it the other way and see if that gives me enough space. But yeah, we'll see. I should be able to figure it out. Alright guys, we got everything we need. Here's a seal that I got to try it out. I couldn't really find anything that I really needed, but this one seems pretty good. So we're gonna go and try it out. You're supposed to split this so it's 2 pieces. But I think I'm just gonna put the whole thing. I think that's a good length or a good width. So we're gonna try this out. I also bought this set so I can tighten the speakers in the back because they're not fully tightened and I don't want them moving around when we're riding. So I bought a socket. But yeah, let me go ahead and take off the windshield so we can put on the seal, and then we can put the windshield back on and we should be good. Give me a second, guys. Alright guys, we're back. Excuse the background noise, but AutoZone was no help. I ended up going to Home Depot. I got this rubber foam self stick weather seal. This worked great. It's like the perfect size that I needed as well. So this is the way I put it. I kind of measured exactly where the bar was at. Not exactly, but kind of 50-50. I measured where the bars on the cage were at, so I can put the seal there. That way it's not touching the bar with the windshield. I put double on top so it can be a little thicker. But yeah, now we're gonna go ahead and put on the windshield and see how it fits. See if we can put on all the bolts, and then we'll see how it goes. Alright guys, so the windshield is now on completely. Everything is good. I put the seal on there. I already put every single bolt. I was able to figure out everything, and everything is on perfectly. So I'm going to show you guys right now. It did take a little while only because I was running around looking for all the stuff that I needed. But this is the way it looks. You guys can see it has a little bit of a tint from the outside, but then from the inside it's clear. So yeah, but hey, that's the way it looks, guys. I'll go ahead and put a link for everything that I ordered in the description below. The thing with this is that every windshield is different. They're not all going to be held on with this same method. It's just the cage, the way I got the cage done, and the way they mount their windshields there where I got the cage is that that's the way they mount it. So there's going to be different ways of mounting your windshield and different methods depending on where you get your cage, where you get your windshield, and if you have the factory cage, stuff like that. Factory cages, usually they just clamp on either with like a metal clamp or with a plastic clamp, or like the Velcro straps. That's what I've seen, or the original one, which actually gets bolted down right here. But yeah guys, you guys can see the seal a little bit right here, and then I put extra seal on top just because the windshield does touch the roof and I didn't want it to rattle. So you can kind of see the seal right there, but it's not that big of a deal, to be honest. From the inside you guys can see exactly where the seal is at, kinda. I don't know if you guys can see with the lighting, but yeah. Another thing is that these grills, they only had one. Let me show you guys what it looks like. So this grill is gonna go on the other side. It's supposed to be like this, you guys can see, but they only gave me one. They didn't have the other one, so I'm like, why am I gonna put one of them right now? I just left them off for now because I really wanted to put the windshield on already. So I'm gonna run it like this until they give me the other grill, and then I'll put both of them on. But yeah, I guess it helps getting a little bit of air through. I'm looking forward to being able to ride without all the dust going in my face and up my nose, because that shit is honestly really annoying. But yeah guys, if you guys want a more in-depth video of everything that I've done to my Can-Am, go ahead and leave a comment below. I don't know if you guys really want to see that much of like Can-Am content, but if you do, I definitely will. Kind of a little hobby that I've built over the past year and a half, just because all my friends also have Can-Ams, so we kind of got into it together. So yeah, if you guys want a more in-depth video of everything that's done to it, I've done a good amount of stuff, to be honest. There's still a lot of stuff that I want to do, but yeah, if you guys want a more in-depth video, go ahead and comment below. And yeah, I'll leave the links for everything that I used, all the, you know, the seal, the bolts. If you guys are looking for these bolts, I couldn't find them anywhere. Everything else that you would order online from like different websites would take like a week to come in, and I didn't want to wait a week. So thankfully I found these that came in overnight. So literally I ordered them yesterday night, super late at night, and they were here by 8 in the morning. So yeah guys, enough talking. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this little video. Like I said, I wasn't even gonna record this, but I was kind of struggling to find everything I needed, so I'm thinking maybe other people might be struggling too, or maybe you just want to see a windshield on the Can-Am. I don't know. Anyways, if you guys enjoyed the video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comment section below what kind of videos you guys want to see, more Can-Am content. Give me video ideas with the M5 or the X5. And without further ado guys, thank you very much for watching. See you guys next time. Peace out.
Si estás abajo aquí nadie te pela, si estás arriba falsos te rodean, le echan la mano, juran quererte, ya no te ocupan ni cuentan pestes.